What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Celo Gold. It's been pumping parabolically recently, so what's going on with it? We can also see Bitcoin, Ethereum rallies over 20% on the week as crypto market cap reclaims $1 trillion, which is absolutely amazing. This is the first time the wider crypto market has been valued this high since the beginning of November, when the sudden collapse of FTX price obviously came our way, and of course the Terra Luna crash. So it actually peaked at 1.15 trillion, which is really, really strong. Now, I'm a big believer that lots of these black swan events, these anomalous events that we cannot predict, like COVID-19, like Terra Luna crash, like the FTX incident. These are incidents that basically wash out retail investors, and we can now see, looking at this historical data all the way from 2010, I think Bitcoin has marked the bottom already. I think actually we're not really going to go below 15.7k. I mean, we might touch down around the area again, but I honestly think seeing a 12.5k Bitcoin is just too low, in my opinion, following all the global adoption that we're seeing. More adoption means less volatility. Higher market capitalization also means less volatility. So it's really interesting. Look at this amazing chart right here, guys. We can see Bitcoin, basically a massive green monthly candle with a low of 16.2k. Can we break through that 23.9k resistance and basically work up to a technical target of 29.2k? That's ideally what we want to see. So how will the cookie crumble this week for crypto? If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys, and get yourself down into the Discord below. We've got over 3,000 people. Let's all learn some things around crypto together. So yeah, check out the links down below for the Discord. Now, Celo is ranked 92. Back in the bull market days, this is one of the most explosive and volatile coins out there. We can see it's up 19% and up 18% against Bitcoin of a $358 million market cap. So it's pretty good. 7 days has obviously been very, very prosperous, very fruitful for holders. The last month, trading sideways at that 0.52. Now we're starting to see a huge bounce for this particular token here. So it's doing really, really well, in my opinion. This is the Celo homepage. It says build together and prosper. Celo is a carbon negative, mobile first, EVM compatible blockchain ecosystem leading a thriving new digital economy for all. So yeah, I mean, it's certainly a nice website. Really easy to understand. We can see they've had loads of transactions and a very, very minuscule gas fee as well at the same time. Looking at Celo today on the Twitter, it's always important to check Twitter pages, guys, to see what the latest developments are, and also just to stay in the know. And it helps you also validate the research, the authenticity, of any claims out there. So if you're worried something is a scam, then it's always good to go back to the Twitter pages, look at the Reddit pages, find out about the developers, look at the LinkedIn profiles, and do some research and really dig deep into these companies. So we can see Celo.org over here, producing content all the time, which is really good. Shiny new website on January 14. Again, they're pushing in a bear market. They're making things better and better. And also they're also partnershiping and collaborating with many other big brands in the crypto space, which is very, very important too. So I think this is a great ecosystem. We could see a lot of potential here in the long-term future for Celo Gold. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, we have seen what looks like a humongous pump. And in terms of the valuation of that particular pump, it was a big move, guys. We're talking like a 20% pump. Happened very quickly within 1 hour. So there's a lot of volume that came through, as we see a huge volume candle down there at the bottom. Now, this particular chart pattern reminds me of a bull flag. We had that touchdown on the support of 0.7. And when we look on the Fibonacci side of things, that's probably a 0.382. It's a 0.5. It's a 0.5 retest. We broke out this resistance trend line all the way up to a high of 0.76 today. So looking really, really bullish actually on this particular time frame. Moving to the weekly, however, I mean, as things feel good in the short term, really, I mean, if you're a long-term holder, you are still not going to be in any position of fortune or even excitement, because there's still going to be people that were holding at levels between, $4 and $7. Maybe some people even bought these tops, which is also quite significant. Now, what I noticed for Celo Gold right now, which is quite important in my opinion, let's quickly change this and make the chart a little bit bigger. Bear with me. It's actually the RSI. If we look at the RSI, we can see what's going on now on the daily time frame. And we can also align this with the price action. We can see that the RSI of today is overbought. And we can see every single time that our Celo Gold has gone into the overbought territory on the daily time frame, there's always been a harsh retracement. So bear with me here. I'm just going to get some vertical lines just so we can actually see exactly what is going on. So vertical line, this is an overbought position. We have an overbought position over here. We also have an overbought position on the RSI here. And guess what? At present tense, we're also in an overbought territory. So I would avoid excitement right now, and I would avoid FOMOing into this particular coin just because of this key piece of data, which does usually suggest we get a bearish reversal after this sort of particular activity. So guys, it's been a while since this coin has gone overbought. Now the lesson here would be buy the oversold territories. Not financial advice, of course, but if you're buying this oversold territory, you're in profit. If you're buying here at the oversold, you hold, you wait for the impulse wave, you wait for the bull run, you're in profit. If you bought the oversold territory here, you'd be the same, in profit. Oversold territory. So look for the daily and weekly time frame oversold territories on the relative strength index, and look for sub 30 RSI levels, because they can usually reflect a good time to dollar cost average or swing trade within an actual bear market. Of course, this is not financial advice, but it's just something I like to experiment with. And I think, looking today at the price of Bitcoin, seeing this amazing monthly candle, good things could be coming, because we had a bad December. We had a bad November. October wasn't too fruitful. And of course, we have to have some sort of reward. Things can't stay red forever. So we had 2 consecutive red months. We're getting a green. We also had 3 consecutive last year. We actually had twice in a row 3 consecutive red months last year. So now we're actually getting given some green. It's hard to say if the next month for Bitcoin will be green. If it is green, fantastic. But right now it's all speculation. Crypto very much remains to give feelings like you're in a casino still. We can't forecast anything to be 100%, but we can only use data to try and leverage our decisions and, make logical, rational thoughts that make actual sense. Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well, and let's see what happens in the next few days and weeks. Bye for now. Get yourself in the Discord and check out the links down below. Not all pre-sales do well. Honestly, they're really risky, so you should not risk too much. But at the moment, even altcoins are risky, and just everything in general. See you soon, guys. Much love. Take care.